Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Weng Sensei, your online tutor. Our expression of the day is, come to think of it. Let's begin. We use the expression, come to think of it, to introduce something we hadn't thought of before. Example conversation. This place is cheaper, but there are only 2 parking spaces. Come to think of it, clients can park at the mall next to it. I think that's enough. Complete this conversation using the video. Use come to think of it in your response. Let's try this. Hey, listen. Finally, we will move to our new office next month. Type your answer on the comment section. For tomorrow's expression of the day, we will use, I'm not bothered. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get your daily expression of the day. Like and share this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Weng Sensei, your online tutor.